very good afternoon all of you. Sorry for late. Sorry for late. So many works, that's why a little bit late. I am sorry for the late, but here today we will learn the TOC Turing machine. So many requests was coming about Turing machine, although I already I uploaded previous one video and I shared that video also too with you, but still there are some confusion about Turing machine, and that's why there was the request from most of the students that ma'am please discuss Turing machine. That's why I thought okay, let's discuss the Turing machine for everyone so that it will be easy for you. Okay, yes, all are here. I can see that everyone is present here. Very good afternoon everyone. Very good afternoon. Turing machine and decidability, this is the last one today we will discuss, but I am showing very large. I have to make it little bit smaller. I think that is better. Yes, good afternoon. Chalo. So let's start the Turing machine. Here first of all, whenever the Turing machine is there, Turing machine, how the Turing machine is working, that is most important part. How this will work. Turing machine, as we learned the first of all finite automata, then we learned the push down automata, and here sound coming. What sound? The Turing machine. Here first of all, whenever the sound is okay, right? Sound okay, right? So in push down automata we saw that here it is working on push and pop operation, right? There will be push and pop operation. But in Turing machine what will be happen here, the main facility of Turing machine is that Turing machine can go left hand side also, right hand side also. Increase volume every day. What is the problem in volume? I am not able to understand how this volume is going. Is it fine? Automatically it is going. Hello? Hello? Is this fine now? I hope it's fine. It's fine, right? Chalo. Okay. So here in the Turing machine, what we will do, the Turing machine is main important part, and main thing is that Turing machine have the property which can go left and right, both direction, and that's why Turing machine can do so many things what others can't do, what other machine cannot do. And as it is like the regular expression when we did in the finite automata, push down automata, we saw the tuple, right? Here also some tuples are there. This is the definition of the Turing machine. You can see here the Q is the finite set of state, because here TOC, each and every machine is working with the finite set of states. So there will be set of states. After that, T is the tape of alphabet, means here it is working with tape, and in the tape you are writing the alphabet. So here T will work with the alphabet. Now after that, B is the blank symbol. Blank symbol means what? Where I am starting. Whenever you are starting and ending, before starting you will put here B, or sometimes a delta symbol. Sometimes we are telling B and sometimes we are telling that delta also. B or delta. It can be anything. Next one is the input alphabet. That is the input means A, B, 0, 1. Normally in TOC we work with that only, right? So whatever input alphabets are there, that is the set of input alphabet. Delta is the transition function. As you saw, actual important part is the transition function, how it is working. In finite automata you saw different transition. In push down automata you saw different transition. Here in Turing machine also there is a different transition. What is telling? Q is the state where you are. You are taking T, that is the what is the tape alphabet now, and where you are going, where to move. I have to move left hand side or I have to move right hand side. That is the main thing here in the Turing machine. Where to move, I should move left or I should move right. That is the main important part here. Q0 is the initial symbol and F is the final set of symbol. That is only. So now here main thing is we have to understand how actually Turing machine will work. You can see here is an example of Turing machine where here the letter is A, B, A. After that this is end. So I am starting with A. Here I will start with, this is my start symbol. And what is the letter now? What is the letter now? And what I will do? I will go to right or left. That will be mentioned here. I will take, here you can see what is going on in the multi-tape also. I will take an example, just overview I am telling you. After that I am coming to the example, so that with the example it will be very clear to you. Okay, I will take that example. There is multi-tape, single tape also can be there, multi-tape also can be there. Already question came from multi-tape also. In multi-tape what is going on? What is the difference? In single tape you saw the transition like Q multiply T, you are going to QTLR. Means what is there depending on the present state. In the present tape alphabet what is there, according to that what I should do, I should go to left or right. That is here. But when there are multi-tape, then here is a change, x to the power k. Because x is telling you the tape alphabet, what is my tape alphabet, and to the power k, k is the number of tape, means which tape you are working in, which tape. Here you can see this is first tape, second tape, third tape, 3 tapes are there. So that's why we will give the numbering as this is tape number 1, tape number 2, tape number 3, so that it can understand okay in which state it is working. So that it can understand in which state it is working. Is this clear? Yes? Is this clear? Okay? Yes? Right? So now I am taking the example, and through the example it will be clear to you. Now let me take you the example. And this example only, directly I am taking that example, so that through this example only your concept will be clear. You know that here this question was there, right? This was the question. This was your question, right? Yes. Ultimately here most of the students are getting confused about this type of question when there is a to the power n, b to the power m, a to the c to the power n and d to the power n. This is a Turing machine where I have to understand what I have to understand: a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n and d to the power n, right? So this is a string given to me. What I have to do in the string? Here actually number of A will be number of C and number of B equals to number of D. That is my target. My target is number of A will be equals to number of C and number of B will be equals to number of D. This is my target. Now in this target, if this is my target, how Turing machine will work? Here the Turing machine is working like that. Just for example, if I am taking a to the power 4, b to the power 3, then c to the power 4 and d to the power 3, it will be work, right? Or if I am taking more small, like a to the power 3 if I am taking, b to the power 2, c to the power 3, d to the power 2. Because number of a equals to number of c and number of b equals to number of d. Everyone please concentrate. If you are concentrating, then it will be very easy for you. If you did not concentrate, then you cannot understand anything. So that's why your concentration is very important. Everyone please concentrate here. Everyone please concentrate here so that you can understand. Okay? Yes? Clear? Okay, chalo. Everyone understand it. How actually it is working, you have to understand, then it will be clear to you. See, here I am taking 1, 2, 3. 3A, then 2B, then 3C, then 2D. Now my target is what? I will start from here. Okay, I will start from here. In the question it is given, see that here it is the definition. Your input alphabet is in the tape alphabet. These are the tape alphabet A, B, C, D. And you are taking some new alphabet, that is the we will replace, just like the push down automata. When I read A, at that time I replace with X, like that we did it, right? Here also the X1, X2, Y1 and Y2. Yes, X1, X2, Y1, Y2. These are here, right? These are here. Now what it is doing? This is given here. You can see whenever there is A, B, C, D, the X1 and X2 is used for A and C. Y1 and Y2 is used for B and D. Means whenever I will get A will be replaced with X1 and C will be replaced with X2. It is given X1 and X2 for A and C, and Y1, Y2, that is B will be replaced with Y1 and D will be replaced with Y2. Okay? Clear? Yes? Clear? So that is my target. That is means in this way I have to match it. Now how we will do? Whenever I got first A, this is my first A, I am going to replace the A with X1. This is done. Okay. Now my target is what? My target is that number of A equals to number of C. Right. That's why. What I have to do? I have to find that is there any C. How I can find? For that I have to go ahead. I will get 1A. What I will do? I will not do anything. If on the way I am getting A, just ignore it. No need to do anything. Ignore it. Again you will get another A. Ignore it. B, ignore it. B, ignore it. Whenever I am getting this C, then what I have to do? I am going to a blank page, that will be better for your understanding. Here I took what? A to the power 3, B to the power 2, C to the power 3 and D to the power 2. So A was replaced with X1, C will be replaced with X2, B will be replaced with Y1 and D will be replaced with Y2. Right? So here my letter was A, B, C, D. Now whenever I got A, I replaced with X1. Now I will move ahead to right hand side. Now I am moving to right hand side. Whenever I got A, I don't want to do anything. Again skip it. Whenever I got C, then I am going to replace it with what? X2. This is X2. So what is the meaning? For this A, corresponding C, I already got it. Okay. For this A, one corresponding C, I already got it. Now what I will do? Whenever this checking is done, from this position, I will move to left hand side again. I will start moving in the left hand side to go to the last position where I did checking. I will move to the last position where the last checking is done. That's why on the way I will got B, 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 A. Whenever I will get the X1, means okay, this was my last position. X1 means this is my last position. Okay, I will got my last position. Now after that I will start moving to the right hand side again, and I will get the next A. This A will be replaced with again X1, and again I will start moving to search the next C. Whenever on the way A is coming, B is coming, B is coming, then again X2 can come. Just ignore it. Whenever C will come, then I have to replace with X2. Till this step, is it clear? Till this step, is this clear? Is this clear till this step? Tell me what is going on. Till this step, is this clear to everyone what is going on? Yes or no? Yes. Till this step, is it clear? Okay. So what I am doing? Okay. Now we will draw the Turing machine. What will be then my Turing machine? My Turing machine will be like that. Q0, in the Q0, that is my initial state. From initial state I have started here, right? In initial state, whenever I got my first A, what is the tape alphabet? Tape alphabet was A. You are going to replace with what? You are going to replace with X1. And which direction you will move? You will move to right direction. Is it or not? That we did here. Here that we did. Whenever first one I got A, from the A I am replacing A with X1 and I move to right hand side. Yes, I should move to the right hand side. Yes, clear? Yes, right. Okay, now what will be the next? Then what will be the next? I got it. Now from this situation, what I have to do again, whenever you are moving to right, what are the situation can come? You are moving to right, what are the situation can come? You move to the next state, that is Q1 state. Okay, you move to the next state, that is Q1 state. Here I need some space. I have to write little bit down. Here was Q0. From Q0 I got A. I replace with X1. I am moving to right hand side. I am in Q1. Now you have to think in Q1 what are the possibilities. Whenever there was A, I got this A, X1 is replaced. After that I am here. What I will do? On the way I will get some A. So what I will do? I will ignore it and start moving to the right hand side. This A I am not going to do anything. Right? I am not going to do anything. So that's why what I will do? On the way, whenever A is there in the tape alphabet, leave it as A. No need to do anything and move to right hand side. Got it? No need to do anything, move to right hand side. That we did. Now again you will got another A. So this A means same state. No need to write again. With this transition only I can say okay, whenever another A is coming, then also you will make it A only, move to right hand side. No need to write double time. This is already there. So with this I can explain okay, this can be done. After that, on the way I will get the next B. Should I do anything with B? No. B will be also leave it as it is. No need to do anything. So that's why here what I will do? B will be as it is and move to right hand side. No need to change anything. Yes, no need to change anything. That's why here you can see B will be B only, and here also another B, same thing, no need to do. Whenever I will got this C, that was my target, to get another C. My target was this one, right? Because my string was A to the power 3, B to the power 2, C to the power 3 and D to the power 2. That was A to the power M, B to the power N, C to the power M, D to the power N, like that. Yes. So whenever I got the C, then what I have to do? Then this C I have to replace with, whenever I got this C, then I have to replace with x2 and start moving to right or left. I have to start moving to right or left. I have to start moving to left because I replace with x2. Then I have to find out again the next A. Again the next A. That's why I have to start moving to the left hand side. So that's why I will start moving to the left hand side. Got it? I will start move to the left hand side. Is this clear? Only Jivita is answering. So is it required only for Jivita? For others it's not required. You don't want to learn? If you don't want to learn, it's okay. As there was the request from some of the students, ma'am, I am not getting, that's why I again took the class. But now if you are not replying, if you are not concentrating, then why it is required? Okay. At the whenever discussion will be over, then you will tell me that, ma'am, I did not understand. I will not repeat. Then I will not repeat again, okay? Then I am not going to repeat it again. Okay? Okay. So here, now what it will be? I am going to left hand side. Now on the way B can come. On the way more B can come, A can come, A can come. I have to just ignore them. Whenever B, A are coming, I have to just ignore them. And that's why here I am in the Q2 state. If the A came, then make it A, move to left hand side. Move to left hand side. If B came, then also move to left hand side, because these are the B, A will come, right? I have to move ahead. Where I can stop? Whenever I will get this x1, then I should understand, okay, this is my last step. It was my last step. Now I can start moving in this direction. So my target is what? To get the x1. My target is to get the x1. So that's why whenever I got x1, then x1, I will move to the right hand side. I got this first x1 and I will move to the right hand side. So that's why I am moving to right hand side. So I will move to right hand side. Then again, first A will come. I have to replace with the x1. Right? So that's why here, whenever I came here, then I am in Q3 state. From the Q3 state, if I am getting A, it will be replaced with x1 and R. After that, same thing will be repeated. Whatever I repeat for this one, the same thing will be repeated. So I can merge this state with the same state, so that same thing will be repeated. No need to write again. And that's why here I can merge this state with this one, because after that on the way A, B will come, leave it as it is. Then so that's why here whenever A is coming, leave it as it is. B is coming, leave it as it is. That we will do. another new one will come, that is the x2 on the way. Now x2 will also come, because after that more c and d is there. So on the way, whenever x2 is coming, then also I have to ignore it, and that's why here I have to write it, that is x2 comma x2 comma r. Is this clear? Yes, Jivita from left after 1 there, ma'am. For that what to do? From left after B1A. That is we will handle. After B1A is there, what to do? That is only we handle. That is only we handle, Jivita. Yes? Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Clear? Till now what I told, is this clear? Yes. After that the same thing will be repeated, right? Because this one means now I have to go ahead. Whenever I am in x1, whenever I am in x1, then c is x2, then also no need to do anything. Whenever I got this c, then I have to replace with x2 again, right? Whenever I got this c, I have to replace with x2 again. So that is can be done through this one, no need to write again. This is already there. This is already there. Same thing I will do, x2 again. After that, again on the way, whenever you are moving on the way, a b is coming, but on the way, whenever you are moving in the left hand side, then x2, this x2 will also come, and that's why you have to write here, if x2 on the way, then leave it x2 and l. If x2 came on the way, then x2 will be here, leave it as x2 and move to left, because here this can come. After that b, leave it as it is, a also leave it as it is. Again the last x1, whenever last x1, then start moving to the right. Then start moving to the right. That is already we did. Yes, whenever x1 start move to the right. After that, whenever you get another a, then leave it as x1. So that is we can do from here, a, that is x1r. Yes, 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 same way I can do. So now this a1 is also done. After that I will move to this b, whenever b is coming, leave it as it is. For here, leave it as it is. x2 come, leave it as it is. On the way, this x2 come, leave it as it is. Finally I will get this c and I will replace with x2. So whenever I will get the c, replace with s2, start moving to the left. Yes. So here now I will start moving to the left. On the way, x2 leave it as it is, b leave it as it is. Whenever I will get x1, then I will start moving here. That is we did. Okay. Whenever I will get x1, then I will start moving. Here I got x1, x2, I start moving to the right. Now what will be happen? Now though here this all the A's are done. What is remaining? Now check very carefully. This all the A completed, right? This all the C's are also completed. You start moving from here. You start moving from here. Here the position was A, B, C, and D. So this one is already done. This one is also done. Okay. Now you start moving from this direction, x1. This is x2. You start moving in this direction, you got this x1. After that you start moving. What you will get? You will get b here, right? Now b is there on the way. Now b is there on the way. So what I will do with this b? What I should do with this b, that I have to think, right? So this b, now I have to handle that. Whenever I get this b, what I will do here? What to do here in this b? So whenever I got the b here, then this b should be replaced with y1 that was given. So b will be now replaced with y1. I will replace with y1. So that's why I will write b will be replaced with y1. And after that, where should I do? I have to move to the next to got the d. Right? Yes. That was in the question, Kishori. It was according to the question. It is in the question, it was mentioned a, c will be replaced with x1, y1, y1, y2 will be replaced with b1, b2. And in Turing machine is working like that way. You are reading it means you will replace with new letter so that you can understand, okay, this is done. I read this one, this is already done. Okay, that's why. So that is the reason. So now I will start moving to the right hand direction. On the way another b will come, x2, x2, x2 will come. I have to ignore. So that's why I will go to the right hand side. And now here I am in Q4 state. Here on the way b came, then I have to ignore and I have to move ahead to the right hand side. This b I have to move ahead. x2, x2, x2 will come, I have to move ahead. Same thing. So whenever x2 coming, then I have to move ahead to the right hand side. No need to do anything. Now whenever I got this d, then this d will be replaced with y2. Whenever I will get this d will be replaced with y2. That is we will do here. Yes, if I got this d replaced with y2, and now I have to start moving left direction to find out the next, to find out where was my last checking point, that is y1, right? So that's why here I will start move to the left hand side. And now I am in Q5 state. Yes, now I am in Q5 state. Now in this state what I have to do? I am going to left. So I will, on the way I will get some x2, y2. This y2 already done. I will get some x2. I will get the b. So leave it as it is. No need to do anything. That's why here on the way y2 will come. Leave it as it is. And whenever y2 not x2 will come and b will come on the way now. So now on the way x2 and b. Now on the way x2 will be replaced with x2 and I have to move ahead to the left direction. B also, B, I have to move ahead to the left direction, because on the way whatever it is coming I have to ignore. I have to search for the y1, right? I have to search for the y1. That is my target. So whenever now whenever I got this y1, then y1 will be y1 itself and move to right. Yes. So what I will do? y1, I got this y1, it will be itself. Then I will start moving to the right direction. That's why we will do y1 r. Yes. That's why here it is y1 y1 r. Clear? I will do here y1 r. Got it? Yes. Clear? So I am moving here. I am moving here, right direction. I am moving here. Now what is my target? My target is to get the next D. On the way, what will come? On the way, what I will come? Now B, next B will come. Now my target is to find out next B. Next B. So whenever here, whenever y1, now I am here. That is in Q6. Whenever I will get the next B, then the same thing will be repeated. B will be replaced with y1 and r. So this B will be replaced with y1 and I have to move to the right, and that is the same loop will be repeated. Whatever we did here, the same thing will be here, same thing will be repeated. So I can merge it with this. I can merge it with this one, right? So that's why I am merging it with this one, because I got it. Now on the way x2 will come. So that is already handled. x2 will come. I already handled it. But on the way y1 also came. Y1 can also come. Y2 can also come on the way. So that is I have to handle here. Y2 move to right. Now finally, whenever you got this D, then replaced with another y2. Whenever you got this D, then replaced with this y2. That is we will do here. That is already handled here. Now I will start moving to the left hand side. After this, I will start move to the left hand side. On the way, I will get y2, x2, right? So whenever I am moving to the left hand side, x2 I already handle, B I already handle. Here we have to handle the y2 also. So that's why y2 left. Because now on the way I can get this y2. Here I will get a y2. That is also I have to handle, right? Yes. y2, then after that we have to move left, right? Left, not right. We have to move to the left, because y2 already done. Now whenever you are moving to in this direction, that is the left direction, right? You are checking for the next left. You are moving to the left to find out is there anything else or not. Is there anything else or not? That's why you are moving, right? Your target was what? It's already over. So I am not getting space. So what was my target here? A, B, B, C, D, D. What we did, first we got this A, x1. Then I move ahead. Whenever I got this C, x2. Then we come to here. We will move ahead till the x1. Whenever x1, this is my last position of checking. Then we will move ahead. We will replace with x1. Then again we will move ahead. We will replace with this x2. Now again we will start in this direction. We will go. Last position is this one. From last position again we will start here. Now x1. Again go. Don't do anything. Again this one whenever I got, then I will get x2. Again I will move ahead in this direction. What is my last position? No need to do anything. This was my last position here. That is x1. This was my last position. Again from here I will move ahead. Now I got B. That's why B is replaced with y1. Then whenever I got the B, again move ahead. No need to do anything. I have to find out the D. D will be replaced with y2. Then again move ahead into this direction. What was your last position? That was y1. Then start moving in this direction and again do y1. Again start moving. Find out that is there any D or not. Yes, the D is there. Do y2. After that it will move ahead in this direction to check is there any AB present or not. Is there any A, B, C present or not? It will check. It will try to go to the last position. Where was my last checking position? I will go there. Where was my last checking position? It will go to till this direction y1. After that it will start moving in this direction. It will go ahead. It will be not able to get any other C, D or anything. And finally it will reach to the blank state or the delta. It can be blank or delta. Whenever it will be reached means okay, it is my final state. It is my final state. Got it? Clear? Yes. Start moving in this direction. Clear? Okay. Yes. So this is going on, right? That is going on. That is we are doing. So when I am moving to the right direction means I got here y1, right? So I was here. So when I am here I replaced with y2. Then after that I came here. y2 will be y2 left. y2 left. I will move to y2. Whenever I will get this y1, then I will start moving to the right. But I will not get any B. In this situation, I will get what? x1, x2. I will get x2. Right? In this situation, but I will get. Here whenever I was moving, it is y1 is done. Now I will get x2. So leave x2 as x2 only. No need to do anything. x2 as x2, then right hand side. You will get here in this position, you can get y2 also. You can get y2 also. So whenever you are getting y2, then also y2 will be right hand side. Right? You will get here. So you can write it as this, ki okay, whenever I am getting y2, then also you have to move to the right hand side. You can reach to the Q7 state. Here also you will get multiple number of y2 and right hand side, that is I can get. Here this part I can merge. This part I can merge with this one also, that is y2 right. I can merge with this one also. No problem. Ultimately I will reach to my final state, that is the Q final state. Ultimately I will reach to the final state. How? Whenever I will get the blank symbol, blank right hand side, whenever I am getting the blank symbol, then I will go to the final state. This part you can combine with this one also. Okay, got it? Yes, this is the final state. In the diagram definitely, in this diagram definitely final state should be there. Should be there definitely. Got it? Clear? Yes. Not left, right. We have to move right. What we are doing, we are moving right here, right? Just now what I did. Whenever you move to this, we got this y1. That was my last position. I checked that y1. This is my last checking. Wait 1 minute. Okay, got it? Clear? So yes, so here whenever I was in the last position, I will move to the right till the blank state. Till the blank state. Whenever I got the blank state and on the way I did not get A, B, C, D anything, then means my checking is done, right? Then means my checking is done. Got it? So this will be your finite automata. Ultimately, see that this is only another one we can draw like this. And now you can come to here. Now how to draw the state diagram, means it is the state diagram is done. Now how to draw the table, how actually table can be drawn, that is I am showing you how the table can be done. Q0 A. From Q0 what are the possibilities? A, B, C, D, X1, X2, Y1, Y2 and blank. These are the possibilities. You have to take all the state Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. These all are the states you can write till Q7, till QF. These all are the state can be written. Now you can fill one by one. When you are in Q1, if you got A, when you are in Q1, if you got A, what you did? You reached to Q1 state, right? So I reached to Q1 state and the A is replaced with X1. That A is replaced with X1 and I move to right. This is the way you have to fill the table. The table should be filled like this. Whenever you got B, C, nothing, there are no situation. Whenever I am in Q1 state, if I got A, what I did? I am in Q1 state itself. So, in Q1 state, I am in Q1 state itself. A will be A, I move to right. If I got B, what I did? I am in Q1 state itself. So, I am in Q1 state itself, B, right. If I got C, I moved to Q2 state and I did it as X2. That's why if I am in C, I move to Q2 state X2 and now I start moving in the left direction, that is left direction. When you are in Q2, A as it is, B as it is, no need to do. When X2 also as it is, X1 you are changing the state. That's why in Q2 what it will be? Q2 A left. Here also Q2 B left. Only in X1 also what you did? Q3 X1 right. And here in X2 also same thing. You are in Q2 state, X2 and left. This is the way actually table should be filled. Got it? This is the way how to fill the table. This is the way how you can fill the table. That is only in the question. This is given on the question. That's why you have to go to this question. You can see here. And whenever we did this one, now you can see for A they are asking whenever you are in Q3, M1, M2, means these are the things you have to fill. You have to fill this state. And in the question this is wrong. This part is actually wrong. Because this part is telling you in the Q2 you are in with the x1 you are in Q2 state itself. That is not possible. See what we did. Q2 whenever I am in x1 I should move to Q3 state. I should move to Q3 state. State is not changing here. Here the state is not changing. It should be Q3 x1R. Then only the question is correct. Otherwise the question is wrong. That was the problem of this question. This here is the problem of the question. Okay. Other than that everything is okay. Other than that, whenever they are asking what will be the value of M1, just like this way we did, right? This is the way how you can solve. A1, 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 X1, you are getting replaced with this one. You are going to in this direction. Now you got this type of table. And from there you will get actually this is the correct table. When you are filling, after drawing this one, whenever you are filling, you will get this one. You can pause the video and you can check it. Yes, this is the condition how it will work. Then after that you will get this transition table. After that you will get this state table. And this is the value of M1, M2, what they asked in the question. These are the ultimate value of the blank table. That's why here whenever you are getting M1, what will be the result of M1? Definitely result of M1 is Q1 X2L. Because if you come back to here, where was M1? You can see here was M1 in the second. Here was this was M1. Where is M3? This one M3. This one was M3. This one is M2 in X2. Q0 X1. Q0 X1. It is actually M2. There is nothing. Right. This is actually your CM2. Here it was wrong. Here it is M5 and here it is M4. That is X2 and Q4. This is your M5. So this is your M5. M4 or M5 was given, I think. This is M4. This is M4. Like this way you have to fill. This is the way you have to fill the table. So that's why your answer will be, you can see M1 Q2 X2L. M1 was Q2 X2L. This is Q2 X2L. Got it? Where is the position? Just you have to fill that position. Here M2. M2 is error entry because in the M2 there is no one, nothing. It's blank. It's not possible. In this Q0 state you cannot get X1. That's why it will be error entry. That is the reason. M3. M3. Where is the M3? M3 was in this situation. M3 was here. That is in Q3A. So Q3A. What we got in Q3A? You can see Q1 X1R. That's why your answer will be Q1 X1R. That is in M3. Other two questions M4 and M5 is wrong. Because M4, M5 is wrong. Because answer was wrong. Anyone will not match. This two question is dropped because M4, M5 is wrong. But correct one will be this one. This is the correct table according to this diagram. This diagram is correct one. In this way if we are drawing, then according to that we will get this table, and that is the way it will work. Got it? Till now those who are there, you have that patience, that's why you learn, and those who don't have patience, they will not learn. It's okay, you are here till now means you learn this. That is the very important things to learn, very important part to learn. And decidability chart is nothing but, decidability is very easy today I will cover it because it is almost done, nothing else are there. Just in decidability you can go through this table, everyone. Tomorrow I will ask you some question can be there from the decidability. It's easy one, just you have to go through it. Just you have to go through the table, you have to remember it. These are the very popular problem of decidability. These are the very popular problem. We will do a short class of decidability and I will ask you some question, then it will be done. But before coming to the class you have to go through this table, this one and this one. This is your home task. Write down this table in your notebook. This is also write down in this table and you have to remember. Try to go for the exception. Where are the exception? This is the exception. This is the exception. Here also exceptions are this one. Sorry. Here in CFL you have to go for the exception. Where are the exception? That is only enough. These are the exception. CSL, where are the exception? This one and this two. Actually CSL and recursive is same. You can see recursive and CSL is same. And these are all undecidable. Everyone is undecidable. Here everything is undecidable and here everything is decidable. Other than that, just go for the exception list. Here DCFL undecidable exception, CFL decidable exception, CSL and REC exception. So you have to remember the exception list and come to the class. We will practice it and then we will go for the next topic of compiler and all. Okay? Okay? The exception is only enough to remember the decidability. Nothing else is there. Okay? Chalo, bye everyone. My daughter came. I have to go to her. So we will meet again in the next class. 6:30 p.m. class will be there. As the sorting is going on, we will do the sorting. 6:30 p.m. and I hope your Turing machine is clear. Please, as I explain that much, I put my effort to explain you. Those who are watching till the end, most of the students don't have that much patience to learn. That's why they are not watching the total videos. Those who are watching the total videos must comment in the comment section, yes, I watch it, I learn it and I understand it. Okay? Yes. Got it? Yes. 8697365460. Contact number is 8697365460. You can call me. Okay? Chalo. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.